Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brent. Welcome to Spinflowstar tutorial series. Today I'm going to be talking about the orbit pinch, or the UFO, which looks like this. Here's the other way. So the key to this trick is knowing how to pinch. It's kind of a combo between the vertical pinch and the horizontal pinch. So being comfortable with either of those tricks beforehand is good going into this one. And the key with the orbit pinch is that you're going to want to follow the star around your body. You're going to want to turn with it as you start pinching. So this is what a regular vertical pinch looks like, right? With an orbit, you pinch and then kind of let your hands guide you and turn around with the star. You want to start with your hand kind of up at your shoulder level, and then as you bring it up and around the back of your body, your hand is going to go up, kind of up here, and then it's going to come back around. This is a variation of the move that goes up and around the back of your head like this. You can also do a variation of this that kind of swoops underneath your body, like so. And the key to this trick is just turning with the star. And this probably works better with stars that are a little bit worn in too. You should be able to pinch it for about as long as one orbit. You can sometimes do two if you hold on to it for longer, but it gets pretty bunched up by the end of the second one. And another variation to this trick that you can do is once you're done with the orbit, you can wrap, bring it back up around the same way you just turned. And to do that, you're reversing the direction of both the star and the way you're turning your body. So start off with a vertical pinch. Bring the vertical pinch up and around the back of your head, and then you're back in your starting position. To do it the other way, bring your hand up, back around the side of your head, and remember you are spinning the opposite direction that your star is spinning. So if you're pinching your star outwards to the right, you're moving your body to the left. If you're pinching your star to the left, you're going to turn your body to the right. Here's another demonstration. And that is the UFO/orbit pinch. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. This is a great trick to add to your collection of pinch tricks. See you next time.